Happy Friday, saints of God all over the world. This is Minister Coleman coming back to you with another Bible story time where we're going to be giving you your daily word as we approach our upcoming fabulous Sunday school lesson that will be entitled Jeremiah's Rescue. Yes, this is going to be our Sunday school lesson, international and also hybrid with Bible in Life. And we're going to be coming out of Jeremiah, the 38th chapter, 7 through 13, those verses on Sunday. But you need to take this word with you. This is your daily dose that will prep you for that word. And today's word is going to come from Romans, the 12th chapter, the 21st verse. And the 21st verse only, people of God. Yes, what does it say? Don't let evil conquer you, but conquer evil by doing good. My goodness, yes, your word is overcome evil with good. And the bottom line to this word is don't let bitterness become your response to betrayal. I'm going to say that again. Don't let bitterness become your response to betrayal. Listen, every time you choose good in the face of evil, you defeat the enemy. Hear me when I say it. You will defeat the enemy. Scripture says that we reap hot coals on their head when we choose to do good instead of going in the pit and in the mud with them, becoming dirty. You know how it is, clapping back. Yeah. When we choose to do good, Michelle Obama said, when they go low, we go high. So that is what this scripture is actually, in essence, telling you to do. Overcome evil with doing good. Keep your spirit clean. Keep your spirit responsive to God's will. That's how victory will stay permanent in your life. Well, saints of God, I'm Minister Coleman. That is your daily word we're dropping on you in prep for this coming Sunday's lesson. All right, take this word with you. God bless you. Love you all. Have a fabulous day.